Good morning, everybody. I'm just gonna pop on some of this lip gloss before we get going. Bite Beauty French Press Lip Gloss, Vanilla Latte. It smells like coffee, which I don't know, kind of gives me a headache, but they're really pretty colors. Okay, so the plan is we're going to go thrifting for festival outfits. Now, I've never really been to a festival that you can really go and get dressed up at. Like, typically festivals I would go to is like Vans Warped Tour or something. So a bunch of friends and I are going to Osheaga for one of my friends' bachelorette parties, which I think is like the coolest idea ever. Now, we don't leave for about a week, but I just kind of want to make sure that I have everything. So that's why this thrift trip is going to exist. So I need 3 full outfits. The first outfit, I want to be all white, and I'm basing the outfit around this skirt. I'm bringing this with me so that I can try stuff on. I want to look for like a white cardigan. Maybe it could be like a nightgown, something lace that you can just like throw over that looks really pretty. Also looking for like a white top to go with it, white boots, and then a bunch of necklaces like that I can just layer on top of each other. The second outfit, I want it to be very just like boho-y, so I'm actually wearing the skirt because I thought that would help. Do you guys remember this skirt? It's by Spell. I even thought it could look cute with this like Harley shirt, but I would really want to wear like a fur vest, so I'm looking for a fur vest, not real key. And then I have like my hat, which I think hat could look really cute. Like, I'm not gonna put it on because it'll mess my hair, but skirt, fur vest, or maybe like not this Harley shirt, maybe like a crochet top. Sorry if I keep looking in the viewfinder, it's just I'm using my old vlogging camera today because my other one is dead, and I'm just like, it's weird. It looks like it's super dark, but I know that it's not, so it just bugs me, so I keep looking. Anyways, last outfit, I want it to be very 70s, so I want to put flowers in my hair, big sunglasses. I actually have these ones, but I was thinking about ordering a pair of like pinky kind of ones online, and then I'm thinking like, I don't know, like some sort of bell sleeved shirt. I have this skirt, which I was thinking of kind of like, it's like a faux suede. I was thinking a belt and bell sleeves and flowers in my hair, like a total 70s outfit. That's kind of my ideas. That's what we're looking for. I just wanted to kind of talk you guys through that first so that you know when we go to the thrift store kind of what I'm looking for. We might go to a couple today, just because I would really like to get this sorted today so that I don't have to think about it. Yeah, so we're gonna hit up a couple stores and see what we can find. Yeah, all right, let's get on the road. Okay, hello, we are at Value Village. I've come to Value Village just because it's a lot bigger than like Goodwill, and I feel like we won't have to go to as many places if we start at somewhere big. I'm actually gonna start in the intimate section to see if they have any robes, like white lace robes. So let's head on over there. I think this is just all pajamas. Is it? Oh, the worst sound ever. Yeah, I think this is just pajamas. So far I'm not seeing anything sleevey, which kind of stinks. So I've come to dresses, and I actually stumbled across this. Now, I'm not really sure how this could tie into an outfit for sure, but I do kind of want to give it a try. So it's just like really long white at the bottom, and then it's like crochet at the top. Could be another, like maybe like an extra outfit. I'm not sure. Let's try it on. There's some fabric down here that has flowers on it that could be kind of 70s. I'm not sure what the top looks like. Ooh, so it's like halter top. Maybe we'll try this on too. Also just kind of looking for dresses in general. I found this one. It's pretty boho-y. It has some tassels on it, which is kind of nice. I don't know that I'm like super into wearing much of the pink anymore, but they have some other really cool fabric ones. This is kind of nice, really light. I'm just kind of in the apron section, and I found this, and it's just like a little apron, but it's really 70s, and I'm wondering if maybe we could like, I don't know, layer this on top of a skirt or something. I'm gonna give it a try. It is $1.99, which is super affordable. I don't know, this might be a stretch, but we'll try. Look at this fabric. This could be like the most amazing festival outfit ever. Like, that is so cool. But I'm not really a sewer, so it's so cool though. I'm not sure that we're gonna get our white lace like vest thing here, but let's go look at the vest because usually they might have some lace or they might have some fur in there. I'm even thinking like it would be kind of easy to just like make a shawl out of this fabric, you know what I mean? If worse comes to worse and we can't find anything. Look at this fur, whatever this is. Oh my god. Oh, it's really light. Wow, that could be really cool for a festival. It's definitely not like the color scheme we're going for, but I did see some tassels down there. Of course it's gonna be real leather. Yep. Okay, what? This is a vest. Holy crap. I think this is the one. It's $7.99. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna try this on. You know, I was even thinking like things like this, like shawls could work. I just think that this will be really hot. So use something else. Crochet, like that could work kind of thing, but yeah, I just don't want to sweat to death really. If there was like a lighter shawl maybe, but I don't really see anything. We also need like a bell sleeve top. This looks kind of interesting. I think we're gonna give this a try. Like for the 70s outfit, we need something bell sleeved, and that looks pretty bell sleeved. So I don't really like that color detailing, but it has a really cool neckline to it. What's behind it? Ooh, okay. So we do need like a white top to go with our white skirt. So this one's cool. I also just put that Bardot top one in the cart as well. So maybe we'll give this one a go. I see white tassels. I see white tassels. Okay. Not as cute as I thought. This looks really 70s, whatever we're about to see. It's like a crochet top. It has some pink to it. That's kind of interesting. I don't hate it. Could it go with like a skirt like this? Probably. That's kind of neat. I just saw this in the bikinis. Like this is obviously like a wrap, but you could layer that really cool. I'm gonna take that. I just had this idea that we could totally just look in scarves for something, like a white scarf with like a lot of tassels. It's not as nice because I will have to like hold it on, but I'm definitely down to look, and you can totally put armholes in scarves. Oh, okay, oh my god, okay, lace and tassels. Okay, holy heck. Holy heck, that just happened. Let's head to the change rooms and try on what we have so that we can have a better idea of what we still need to thrift. But we got some really cute stuff so far. So I've essentially sorted everything. This is all the white outfit stuff. This is the 70s outfit. And then this is the only thing I have for the boho. I think we're gonna start with the boho just because it's a simple vest. So let me throw this on and show you. So this is the boho outfit. So my skirt and my shirt, but this vest, you guys, is everything I have ever wanted in a vest, and it's not real. That's amazing. Do I love the Harley Davidson shirt? No. So I'm gonna have to look for something else for this. I don't mind it, so as it stands, this will be the outfit, but I'm not sure that I'm overly sold on it, I guess is what I'm saying. So moving on to the white stuff, this is the white skirt I have. I don't know if you guys will remember this one, but it's like a high-low skirt. So this is the one I'm looking to kind of match stuff with. So let's try on a couple of these tops. I forgot to tell you guys I also brought this belt from home. Something I don't like about this already is that the extra fabric from the t-shirt kind of makes it look lumpy here, but I could totally like chop some of it off so that it doesn't do that. But I mean, I really like it. I really like that it's like the Bardot top. It has a bunch of really cute flowers on it. I didn't think that I was going to be as excited about this top as I am looking at it. It's definitely a contender. I would just have to chop it so that it doesn't do all this bunching. Forgot to wear a nude bra today, so I have to do this. So this is the top number 2. I think it's like way too safe for my liking. Like it's not, I don't know, it has nothing like crazy to it. It just looks like I'm wearing a t-shirt. I really like the design and pattern on it, but I think it's too safe. I'm gonna put little emojis on my boobs in post because I can't not show you guys the neckline on this, but the neckline on this is amazing. The sleeves are amazing. I think, I don't know, I didn't know that I wanted long sleeve because I wanted to do the vest overlay. If you guys remember me saying that I want to do like another layer of something. Regardless, I'm gonna get this anyways because it's like an amazing top. I just don't know if it's like the one for this specifically. I'm so mad that I forgot to wear a nude bra, but so I threw the Bardo top on again, and I took this little cardigan-y thing, you know, that we found that has flowers on it. I think what I would do is I would cut holes in it for my arms, because wearing this at a festival and having to make sure that it doesn't fall is going to get really old quickly. I just think that if I were to wear something like this, that the thing under it has to be like a tank top. It can't be this. So that's kind of where I stand, a bit confused as to what to do. So this dress is really amazing, but I think you have to have literally no boobs to wear something like this, because, or I mean, you could just do sticky boob, but like boob is like really on the verge of falling out. So I don't know, I guess you'd have to like tape it, which I just don't feel like putting that much effort into an outfit like this, but this is stunning. Here's like the 70s dress I found. I don't like the way that it fits my chest. Like, it's just, I don't know, it's just not comfortable. I really think the pattern is like kind of nice. It's really cute with boots, but I just hate how it fits me on the top. So here's the skirt that I kind of wanted the 70s outfit to go with. You guys have probably seen this on Instagram. I just found this amazing kind of like twinkle star bell sleeve top, and I think this is like the perfect 70s. Really wish I wore a nude bra today. Yeah, so I also found this belt, which to me screams 70s, so I'm gonna throw this on. Essentially, I think that this is the outfit. I just need flowers in my hair, and this is kind of the 70s outfit. So we're gonna try to thrift some like faux flowers. Maybe they'll have some. Okay, let's go see if we can find some flowers to thrift. It's like my hair looks crazy. Some flowers to thrift to put in my hair. We need to look at jewelry because I need jewelry for the white outfit. Okay, glad I didn't forget that. So we're in the floral section. I see a bunch of sunflowers down here, but they're really massive, and I think I probably would need something smaller. I kind of want to go with yellow. So I found these ones, and they're really little. So I'm thinking these might be our best bet, and it's $1.99. In the jewelry section now, I found this, which could go really cool, layered with a bunch of jewelry. It's kind of a bunch of daisies, so I'm thinking we might do that, but I want to get a bunch of ones that are different lengths. This one's kind of cool with the flowers and the circles. The one last thing I wanted to look for before we go is a blanket for the festival, something that, you know, we can take some Instagram pics on, something kind of cute, something kind of crochet or knitted, maybe that has some color to it. I'd love, I don't know, like a circle blanket. Look at the color on this guy. Wow, that is 70s if I say so myself. Looks pretty heavy. Like, I don't know if I'd want to carry that all day. Y'all don't even know the looks I'm dodging right now vlogging, like all the dirty looks from people. It's crazy. I'm trying to decide on this. I'm not sure if it looks good layered with other things or not. Like, I just don't know how I'd really wear it, because I probably wouldn't wear it over a swimsuit. And we did it. Okay, so I think let's just do like an old school haul style, and I'll show you guys what I picked up. So first things first, I got that amazing top. Now, like I said, I don't think that this is going to, I don't think this is going to be the top that I wear, but you never know. Like, I could always end up wearing it, but it still looked really cute with the outfit. So this is the one that has like all of the amazing kind of detailing right there down the front. This was $8.99. Now, like, I was gonna say like, oh, that's a bit expensive, but like, if you guys watch a lot of American YouTubers, they always say like, oh, $8.99, that's expensive, but this is just what things cost in Canada. It freaking sucks, but $8.99. Next, I picked up the apron. I just did it. I don't know why, because I couldn't put it down, and then I thought, I found something else, so I thought maybe we could make it work with something else. The something else that I found was this skirt, and it is a maxi skirt. It's cream. It is really, really long and really, really layered, and I thought maybe we could layer it over this or something. I don't know. We will see. I just thought, maybe I would find a way to use it, and if I don't, it was $1.99. So I also got the flower kind of thing. This is what I'm gonna use for the white shawl. This baby was $4.99. The amazing vest. We got that amazing shirt, the bell sleeve shirt. We got this amazing 70s style belt. And then of course the flowers. I didn't get any jewelry. And I guess the reason being, sorry, I just feel so sweaty because it's so hot outside. The reason being was that I just felt I wasn't gonna be able, like, if I bought silver jewelry and I bought like a ton to layer up and all that stuff, I just wouldn't use it after that. And I don't know, I just didn't feel like it was worth it for me to buy. So I ended up coming up with another idea. I got one of these little bags from Value Village. This was $1.99, and I thought instead of a necklace, I found this fabric, and it's essentially like daisies. And I thought that it might be kind of cool to like wear it like this. So essentially you'd have like a choker. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot to hold this. Okay, so this is the shirt, the white shirt that I found. I'm sorry. Okay, so remember how I said I was thinking I wanted something tank toppy? So this is a tank top. It's got this really pretty lace detailing. So this is the top that I'm thinking is probably going to work. I didn't try it on, so let's put it on and we shall see. So here is what outfit number 3 is looking like. I think it will look a lot better once my arms are through the hole or something. Does anyone have a suggestion on this as to what I should do? And then what do we think of this? Is it tacky? Do we not like it? I think it's a bit tacky, to be fair, but I also think I like it a little bit. So I found this skirt, which I told you guys about, and it is literally phenomenal. Like, look at the detailing on it, all of the flowers. It's stunning. And you know what? I was not going to, but I think now I have to wear this outfit together, because remember I was going to do the brown skirt with the 70s belt. I think I can't. This is something you would literally see at Free People for like $400. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to shorten this. I think it would look better if it were a lot shorter. Don't mind the mess in my room. Literally, I just came home and threw all the stuff on the floor. So I think this is gonna have to be an outfit, but now I'm worried because like I'm like, oh shoot, now I have like 2 white outfits. The last thing I want to show you guys that I did get is gonna be a bit hard to show you, but I got this. It's like this macrame blanket, and I got this blanket, which is amazing as well, and it's just a bit bigger than the regular one, and so this is gonna be kind of like my blanket for the festival. And I'm gonna layer the 2 on top of each other. It's really hard to show in here. My room is not that big. This one was $5.99 and the one below it was also $5.99. So I think that those look so good together. Okay, you guys, that is it. Thank you for coming thrifting with me today. I feel so good because I'm like pretty much like packed for a trip that's a week away, which never happens. So I'm really excited about that. So thank you for actually making my life a lot easier by coming with me. I'm so excited about this blanket. I'm so excited about the outfits. I am a little bit worried that now I have 2 like white outfits, but I don't know, what can you do about that? Not much. I also have some other like florally dresses I think I'm gonna bring just in case, because you get hot and sweaty and you never know. Thank you for coming thrifting with me today. I had such a successful day, yay. Okay, bye guys.